Yes, kasi
April 29. Hi guys! So today is April 29 and again I wasn't able to vlog that much this April. Like nung March, super busy ko. So I thought I will be able to do it more in April. But then, mas lalo ko siyang hindi nagawa. So, kikwento ko na lang kung ano nangyari yung April. So, this April, first week of April, I had my defense. So, officially, tapos na ako sa college. I made a vlog about that. So, check it out. Check it out! Pero yun, gumawa ko ng vlog when I ended college or when we had our defense. And then after our defense, I had like a series of dinners and catching up. Andun din yun sa vlog. And then for the second week of April yun yung puro dinners. And then the week after, nagsikihor ako. I posted a vlog about it. I went to Sikihor with my boyfriend Tan. And then it was fun. So after nun, so, nagsikihor kami April 17 to 20. And then, April 21 to 23, pumunta kami Tagaytay for my cousin's wedding. And at the same time, I was also busy kasi I was catching up with Lazada kasi I'm doing an actual cam work now. And it's a lot of things. It's entirely different from my first 2 or 3 tasks in Lazada. So I had to catch up. So I was trying to read everything. I was trying to study it. Kasi ayokong magmukhang stupid. 24, pumasok ako sa office to catch up with work. Tas, ang funny kasi on the way to the office, as in nasa Grab ako on the way, biglang nag-chat sa akin yung body ko na, Sky, are you wearing pants today? Tas I was like, oh no! Mukhang magsa-salary visit kami. And then yun nga, nag-salary visit kami around Tondo. 26, I went back to Manila. Pero dumaan muna kami sa cousin ko kasi nakalimutan ni mama yung wallet nga. So, we picked it up. Tapos makiki-CR sana ako. Tapos nakagat ako ng aso. Ayun, nakagat ako ng aso sa house ng cousin ko. Went to an animal bite center. Nagpalinis and everything. And then we went to my condo. Tapos nag-grocery pa rin kami after kasi nga, kakainin ko. I bought my skin stuff. If you watch my Sikihor vlog, I went to Sikihor with a clear fucking skin. I went home with so much breakouts. And malapit na yung birthday ko. And yung birthday sa love ko. And then malapit na din yung wedding.
With sering until tidak pernah.
Sky, tidak cinta aku.
Does that mean I don't love you?
Aku
Sky, tidak cinta aku.
No.
Halo, nama saya Jonathan. Selamat malam. So, in a while, bermain billiards downstairs dengan girlfriend. So I'm trying to practice. Actually, yeah, I forgot. I think it's Pechan Wanita Ko. Yeah, I forgot. Anyways, I've been practicing my Bahasa Indonesia for like, how long have I been studying for?
2 months? 3 months?
I've been studying for 1 bulan. Yeah, it's 1 month. So, yeah. I can't speak much, but when I read it, I understand it.
Really?
Yeah. So, saya membaca pada sore ini? No. I don't think that makes sense every day.
Let's go.
Pada sore ini? I think that's how they say it. So yeah, it's my girlfriend who only knows how to speak Tagalog and English.
Whatever.
Me, I'm on my road to learning. Since I know Tagalog, English, I kind of know Bisaya, understand Bisaya. And then the fourth would be Bahasa Indonesia.
Galing.
Yeah, it's addicting. Download Grammarly and buy Super Duolingo.
Wala kasi ang concrete.
Never know. Wala.
Nice.
Wala pa yan, diba? Open pa rin. Open pa rin, no?
Wala, di ba? Annoying. This is movable, ah. Muntik. Baka tumalsik. Hindi mo sure, hindi ko rin kayang angle na yan. Oh. I want a chicken. We're having a close game.
Oh my gosh! Can we restart? But no, you won nga. But I just want to see what would happen if I hit that. We'll see, right?
Ano feeling matalo ng 2 beses? Ha? Ano feeling ng matalo ng 2 beses? Hi guys! Get ready with me for my birthday celebration. Alis kami ni Tan ngayon. He prepared like a birthday thing for me today. It's 5:50. Per 6 nata, 6 a.m. na. Huwag ka pretty for this since susundin niyo daw ako sa Panzo. First time trying the NARS pot concealer. Nabudol ako ni ate. Using my hands kasi sabi nila mas okay daw hand. I'm done getting ready. So this is a look. Hindi ko alam if I did the eyeshadow okay kasi I really suck in eyeshadow. So this is the look. And then this is the dress. I'll show you the dress. Ta-da! I got this from Shopee lang. But yung problem is when I was fixing my top, nahatak ko to. So, nag-crack to. So, medyo nakalabas ang aking ano. So, ayun. I'm just waiting for tan. And then, my shoes are from Renegade Folk. Birthday gift ni Jonathan. Hi! Pogi.
Please don't ask me about my old shit.
Today is my birthday. Celeb with Jonathan. I don't know where we're gonna go.
So, for today, we're in Baro Cafe. It's a restaurant I saw in Instagram lang, / TikTok. After Baro Cafe, we're going to Sip and Go and Eastwood. And then we can also have snacks there. I'm not sure about where to go for snacks time since I haven't been to Eastwood. But this is like semi-brunch na, so we're pretty full before going to Eastwood. In 1 to 3 p.m. I scheduled it already. Everything's been paid. now. And then after that, we're going to the Seoul restaurant. Visitas no Eastwood Nomi Ikot for dinner. Yeah, everything's reserved for today. So I think it's going to be a fun day.
I did not hear any. Oh yeah. I did not hear any of that.
I always call you Nadine when we're with
Yeah.
Tita. Yeah. I was like, oh, si Nadine. Cheese, 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 cheese. Pak. Dry.
Ito pala yung galing.
Quick fit check. That's the fit. I have my girlfriend right here. My beautiful girlfriend. Sexy. Sexy, sexy, sexy. Hey, sexy.
Hi. We arrived early. So we're playing ML.
Good date.
Pero mukhang walang nagana eh. Mid.
Ano ba dada? Naabutan ko pa yung gustong ko mag-screen record sa iPad. Pero wala pang screen record
Wow.
feature.
Ulol!
Let's end this na.
Hi!
Tan-tan on the way. Patay sa akin natin. We're pantay but I'm namang in gold. I'm winning this.
Why is this a competition?
Yes.
We're almost done.
Let's go down. Yes! MVP? I'm MVP. Winner!
See who's the MVP.
Me. Am I? Oh, I'm not! It's the MVP! Who stole the spotlight? Oh my goodness! It's you again? Oh my
Why is it
gosh. Yeah!
I don't get why it's me kasi you have higher
You just slid one.
Oh no, I have more support than you.
Come on, you said you choose ano.
The hard shit.
Alam mo sakit, hindi ako mahilig.
Mag. Ako, dalong book lang ako.
Update. Picasso. My DJI is almost out of battery for the first time. This never happened to me. I don't know if I ruined its battery, but hello, we're in.
Seoul Sky.
We're in Seoul Sky, and the world is spinning. It's so cool. Like, it is moving. Oh, this is a lip line. First time ko magka-lip line. Ang dami kong binili ng mga first time.
Ako din. Wala pa akong lip liner. Ang ganda niya.
Ang ganda!
Oo.
Ito ba yung binili mo?
Oo.
Oh my God, ang ganda.
Kaya ang hirap kumanap ng friends sa BSM.
That's so sad. Tapos ang hirap pa ng course nyo.
Ganda ng character developments to.
Oo, malay mo.
Pang autobiography.
Sa simula lang yan.
I'm writing letters for the people who will attend. Kasi they've been a big part of my journey. So I wanna express how much I appreciate them kasi hindi ako expressive na tao. I don't wanna show my letter, but my risk depends on which year of my life you met me.
Okay?
Okay.
And then you're gonna
Yes, as in if you miss one word, no point. You want? Yes.